Yeah, yeah. Cold kicking it. Bitch, I saw. Oh, my bad. Bitch. Cold kicking it. Not once, not twice, not thrice. Bitch, I saw you and that nigga walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. Tossing and turning, another sleepless night. But bang against my window pane. I'm running to my car, getting drive too far. Yeah. I saw you and that nigga walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. I saw you and that nigga walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. Yeah, yeah. Go kicking it. One bitches, two bitches, four bitches, close the door. Now here we are, begging me to give your love another try. And I always will. I saw you and that nigga walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. Yeah, cold kicking it. I saw you and that nigga walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. Hey, baby. How you doing, bitch? Come on in here, bitch. Got some hot chocolate on the stove waiting for you, bitch. Listen first, things first. Let me hang up that coat. Yeah. How's your day today, bitch? Did you miss me? Oh, you did? Yeah, I missed you too, bitch. I missed you so much I followed you today. That's right. Now close your mouth because you cold busted. That's right. Now sit down here. Sit down, Chim. I'm so upset you, I don't know what to do. And first impulse is to run up on you and do a Rambo. Whip out that jammy and fly. Oh, shit. Yo, hold up. Yo, he said, wait. Yo, hold up, wait. Bruh, he said, whip out that jammy and flat blast both of y'all niggas. But I ain't want to mess up this $37 link coat, nigga. So said I chill. That's right, I chill, bitch. Then I went to the bank. Word. Took out every dime, and then I went and canceled all those credit cards. Yeah. Oh, your charge count. Yeah. Bitch. I stuck up for every piece of jewelry I ever bought you. Yeah. That's right, everything. Everything. Nah. Don't go look in that closet because everything you came here with is packed up, waiting for you in the guest room. Ho. That's right. What you thinking about, huh? Nickel? What you trying to prove, huh? You with the juice. I gave you silk suits, Gucci handbags, and blue diamonds, bitch. I gave you things you couldn't even pronounce. Now I can't even give you nothing but advice. Get the fuck up on out of here, right, Chim? Yeah. Cold kicking it. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. Yeah. I saw you And that nigga walking in the rain like cornflakes without the milk, bitch.